Kapag pinaglaanan ng oras ang bawat detalye, mas nagiging makabuluhan ang simpleng
Birthday
pagdiriwang.
party at magiging exciting at masayang-masaya itong party na to. Ayan, as you can see, siya si Zoe. Kami yung mga demons. Oh, siya yung hahunt sa amin. Okay? So, para maging masaya na to, simulan na natin. Hindi ko na papatagalin pa to. Isa lang masasabi ko, Mia! Alat na!
Got your senses in the dark.
Guys, nandito sila nanay. Stream niyo yung vlog namin. Title niyan, Jopren. Okay? Stream niyo. Tami, thank you for coming. Thomas, I love you guys. Oh, enjoy the party, okay? Excited? Okay. Hello! Gusto ko yung nag-prep. I love the outfit.
Simple lang yan.
Parang simple lang yan. Love yung simple mo, boss.
Hello, nice to meet you. It's a surprise. Can you close your eyes? You ready? 2, 1. It's a bracelet, Bia.
Ay, bracelet na ba? Kinumpleto mo na.
Yes. Do you like it?
Yes! Ako na magtatabi nito. Kasi parang totoo to eh.
Oh, happy birthday. Love you.
Excited to wear this.
Yay!
Tayo.
This is what it sounds like.
Lagot kayo. Paano?
Mama, it's not a lie. This is what it sounds like.
Ano na naman ang kuya mo? Ayan na! Kuya, halika! Gino? Jisoo? Sino si Jisoo?
Why is it Spanish?
Wala na, tinanggal niya yung patterns niya. Kasi si kuya nag-request ng patterns. Tapos, ang ending, pinatanggal kasi nagpawis. Labas ka na? Can you do it? You can do it? Okay, good luck! I love you! Okay.
Yes, right there and watch.
Ay, oh,
Okay, we got you.
And watch
We
mo
got you.
dyan.
Love you. We're proud of you, okay?
Ayan na, go, go, go!
Love
Galingan
you.
mo! Okay,
Songs unknown. Ha, watching. Ha, it's okay.
조심스럽게
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish. Close your eyes. Yay! Happy birthday.
Mommy, Daddy, do you know my wish?
What's your
What's your wish?
I'm so happy that Mommy and Daddy made my best favorite birthday ever.
Oh, this is your favorite
It's
na?
your favorite birthday?
Promise? I love you guys so much. Happy birthday. I love you.
Sa bawat espesyal na araw, ang pinakamahalagang naiiwan ay ang mga sandaling tunay na naalala.